Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of science of class 3rd. Hope you all are doing good at your home. Students, today in this video of science, I am going to give you assessment sheet 2 and model test paper first. In my previous video, I have completed your lesson number 6. Now, come on, take out your book and open assessment sheet 2. Here you can see it is on page number 46. And your first question is here, tick the correct answer. The main part of the suit is the stem. You have to tick here stem. Now next, there is a single worker or queen bee in a hive. क्या होती है single? Queen. The dash take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Stomata. Tulsi mango is a medicinal plant. Tulsi. Dash is a beverage, tea. Okay, you have to tick in this way. Now true false. Fillers in insects help them to know about their surroundings. True. B question. The flat green part of the leaf is called stalk. False. C. Potato is a root that we eat. False. That is a stem. Housefly live in a hair of human being. False. Insects breathe through spiracles. True. So this is the answer of true false. Now come on next. Fill in the blanks. A question. Grasses have fibrous root. B. All insects have 6 legs. C. The bud changes into a flower. D. Mosquitoes cause diseases like malaria. E. Shrubs are bushy plant with hard stem. These are the answer of your fill in the blanks. Now fourth, answer the following questions. Students, here you can see I have written lesson 5 answer D. It means for first question is what is a germination? What is germination? Students, this answer is on in lesson number 5 and the answer D same you have to write here. Now second question, name the 3 part of the body of an insect. The answer is head, thorax and abdomen. Next, what are spices? This I have already given you in lesson number 5. Answer number A. D question. What are dicot seeds? Seeds that have 2 cotyledons are called dicot seeds. Example, bean. Now last, what are cereals? Lesson number 5. Answer number C you can write here. So these are the answer of assessment sheet 2. Now come on, model test paper first. I hope you all get it. Your model test paper here, it is on page number 79. All of you open page number 79 and your first question of model test paper first is tick the correct answer. First is cereal pulses give us energy. So answer is cereals. You have to tick here cereals. Next, ant cockroaches build nest. Ants build nest. Next, our body has 1 or 2 legs. 2 legs. Insects beat through spiracles. Here you have to tick. Flat green part of the leaf is called leaf blade and insects had 6 legs. So in this way you have to do. Now second, fill in the blanks. Insects have fillers F-E-E-L-E-R-S on their head that help them find out their surroundings. B. Dash is a stem, we eat potato. C. Tea and coffee are beverages. Here you can see beverages. Now next, a parrot has a dash shaped beak. Which shaped? That is hooked shaped beak. Okay. Now next, the dash pumps blood to all the body parts. So here is the answer, heart. Now next, dash are feathers winged animal, birds. Okay. So these are the answer of fill in the blanks. Now true false. Flight feathers keep the body warm. False. A banana has no seed. True. Natural things are made by man. False. Grasses has fibrous root. True. Dicot seeds have 2 cotyledons. True. The bud is the most attractive part of the plant. False. So in this way you have to write all the answers. Now circle the odd one. Beak, feather, stem, claws. So here you have to choose stem because this is a part of a plant and other is a part of the bird. क्योंकि ये प्लांट का पार्ट है और अदर बर्ड्स के पार्ट है. बी सीरियल्स, मिल्क, ऑयल, फ्रूट्स. स्टूडेंट्स हेयर यू हैव टू सर्किल मिल्क. इन योर आंसर शीट ऑयल इज़ देयर बट दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. मिल्क आपको टिक करना है क्योंकि मिल्क वी गेट फ्रॉम द एनिमल्स एंड सीरियल, ऑयल, फ्रूट्स वी गेट फ्रॉम द प्लांट. नाउ सी leaf blade, side vein, main vein, root. So these all are the shoot part and root is the lower part of the plant. D butterfly, moth, spider, cockroach. Spider because it cannot fly, but butterfly, moth and cockroaches all are having wings. E brain, nose, heart, lungs. So here you have to circle nose because it is the external organ and other are internal organ. F table, chair, plant, toy. Plant because it is a living thing and table, chair, toy are non-living thing. Now come on next page. You can take a screenshot to write all this. Now next page here. Give one example of each of the following. A monocot seed, wheat. Bird of prey, eagle. Plant with tap root, carrot. Social insect, ant. Sound made by bird, calls and songs. A system in the human body, digestive system. These are the answer of exercises and question answer I will give you in my next video. And D homework. Here 8 question, draw a seed and label its parts. You have to do in homework. This diagram I have already given you question answers. It is sufficient for today, and the 6 and 7 question I will give you in my next video. Other you can complete your exercises, you can complete. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day. I will meet you in my next video with the question answer of model test paper first. Take care.